Kumukulo siya guys. That is a natural spring.
Every winter, it has been our tradition to visit the place and soak in the warm living waters of Waikite Valley. From the violently boiling magnificent Te Manaroa Spring, the largest single source of boiling water in New Zealand.
Waikite Valley is located between Taupo and Rotorua. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa kalangitan. Hindi, nandito ngayon sa Waikite Valley Hot Springs kung saan makikita yung mga boiling water na nanggagaling sa ilalim.
The boiling water finds its way downstream for about 3 kilometers. The water temperature starts at 98 degrees and cools down from 50 to 60 degrees Celsius before it joins up with the larger cold water stream.
Welcome sa Rotorua, New Zealand. Guys, ito yung mga boiling water galing dun sa spring. Ayan, makikita nyo, umuusok-usok pa dahil sa lamig. Hindi sa lamig, sa init.
The boiling living water of Te Manaroa cascades and feeds its way down to Waikite Valley Thermal pools, spring and spa. And for those who wants to lose fat from just sitting on a corner, the sit and soak pool and spa is the right place for you. Who knows? When you get out of the water, we might see you as the next Jennifer Lopez of New Zealand. They also have the main pool or the splash pool, which is ideal for adults and kids alike. Picnic tables are provided in the area, and you are even allowed to bring your own food or dine at their affordable restaurant nearby.
Nako, ang bibingka. Ang nilagang mani.
Oh no!
Is it hot? Warm? Nako, ang itlog mo maging balot yan mamaya.
they have the Tranquility Garden Pool or the Infinity Pool. Each pool has a varying temperature, which are regularly checked by the staff.
You own the place.
And of course, we tried the private
Yeah, we've got our private pool. And we've got our own shower. So this is the private pool that's natural water. No, that's a cold water, the blue one. Me. Sige, magpika tayo nandito. Yan, nandito kami ngayon sa private pool.